Hello everyone, my name is Saurav. Welcome to Saurav with English. I hope you're doing great. Today is the ninth day of my challenge, and this challenge I'm speaking English with you, and I'm trying to improve my English with you. If you also learning English and you think about yourself, I can't speak English fluently, and I can't build my confidence. Now this problem I did have. Then when I was learning English, I also faces many problems during my journey, but this is not true. You can't speak English because if you are beginner and you think about yourself, what I will do first step. So you have technology, you can use AI because ChatGPT very helpful for your English. Whatever you want to learn, you easily ask ChatGPT help you perfectly. And if you want to learn English and you are beginner and you think what I do first step, so ChatGPT give you roadmap about English, how can you learn English. Because first if you are beginner, you learn tense verb. If you want to learn English, and then you have to do practice your English, because without practice you can't speak English perfectly. And if you don't have friend and you think about yourself, how can I practice my English at home and even alone. So you can practice your English, because when I was learning English I also did it, and I felt bad when I tried to talk with random people. I felt hesitate. So how can I fix it? So that's a simple thing. If you have phone, then you should recording your videos. You should recording your videos 5 minutes, 10 minutes. 10 minutes enough for you if you are beginner. And you listen more motivation speech, because motivation speech is so great if you are learning English, because listening is important. uh, and if you think about yourself, how can I build my confidence, because if you think about yourself, I can speak English, but when you go to speak with random people, even your friend, you can't speak English perfectly, but you know all vocab, still you can't speak English. You think about yourself, where is problem. So that's a problem. You don't have confidence, you don't feel confident when you will speak English, and when you speak English. So if you want to build your confidence, then I already told you, you talking about yourself front the mirror, because this is a great thing. If you build your confidence and recording yourself every day and learn words every day and using your during the day. If you want to get fluency and you think how can I get fluency, so you one thing you do, you reading every day, you reading newspaper every day. If you want to get fluency, then you have to do reading every day. Even you reading 3 pages, 7 pages, you doing great, because reading is important if you get fluency.